I'm Tim Potts, field supervisor at the Blair Center. Today we're here at the Line Apprentice Boot Camp. Part of our selection team is our JATC, which includes supervisors and some of the field guys. And what we're doing here today is evaluating them with how they climb, their attitude, communication, their initiative, and how they operate under pressure, safety situations. And what they're doing here in the background is a couple of guys are tying in a three-phase line. This is all simulated line work. It's de-energized, and we're having to see how they work in these situations, how they move on the pole, what experience they have, and how they act on a pole to complete the job. What we've done is stripped it all the way down to a bare pole, and now they're in the process of putting it back together. Yeah, we use the apprentice and journeyman boot camps in order to determine what their experience level is, how they react. What we do is put them through different scenarios during the day by teaching them teamwork skills, working together, looking out for your fellow linemen, the process of wearing PPE, and evaluating them on how they act in all those situations.